So hi friends, how are you? We already discussed about this magic module. So you can see the first one I have solved on the 19th Jan, second I 30th, like after a gap of 11 days, and the third you can see within 5 days only. And I haven't reviewed the module 1 and 2, but I reviewed this module 3. So this is the improvement. So yes, we have to improve day by day. Okay, so we'll discuss what are the questions that I got wrong again. Okay, so VVF repair. I thought 3 months, but it was 6 weeks. Or if patient is coming like within for 24 to 40 hours, we can do if this VVF is uncomplicated, mean less than 3 centimeter. Okay, and the second image they have shown like Fitz-Curtis syndrome. I marked the gonococcal urethritis, but they asked what it is showing. So it was definitely perihepatitis only. Okay, and then RCC. So here we'll see about the renal cell carcinoma. So A, B, C all are false. So most common symptom is hematuria, most common paraneoplastic syndrome is increase in ESR, and most common site of metastasis is lungs. Okay, you can remember cannonball metastasis, they will happen in the lungs. So lung is most common site, and then involvement of lymph node is associated with poor prognosis. Yes, this is true. Okay, and then next question is, so the next question is like patchy pneumonia is seen in pyogenic pneumonia. That is false statement. It was asked in INICT. Okay, so the patchy pneumonia will be seen in atypical pneumonia. Okay, in pyogenic pneumonia there will be lobar consolidation. Okay, and then fifth question, most common presentation of myoclonic diverticulum. They are told abdominal pain. That is wrong. The most common is lower GI bleeding. Okay. So in sixth question, they ask criteria for clinical diagnosis of multiple sclerosis. That is revised Berger. Okay, McDonald. If they're asking neurological impairment, you can say KE disability scale. Okay, K expanding disability scale. Okay. So yeah, we'll see this ninth question. So like RH negative 31 week, okay, and then 1:32 antibody, PSV more than 1.5, photosynthesis like 38%. Next step is we have to repeat. We have to repeat the PSV, okay, the ultrasound PSV, MCV ultrasound. We have to repeat every weekly, okay. And then next is steroid resistance. So you can remember R. When R will come, that is a treatment. So calcineurin R is coming now. In cyclosporin also R is coming. Okay, so they like ABC they will be given a steroid dependent. Well, steroid resistance we have to see the R. Okay.